Pavo, Laresma, Arnold de Chavez.
Was there a question?
So wala po sigurong aamin doon sa mga pinangalanan ko? Nakasama kayo doon?
Sa mosque, no? Sa
Hindi, iba na po ito. In 1993 pa rin po, June Barsabal of Philippine Army.
Meron ba may kilala kay June Barsabal ng Philippine Army?
Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Yes. Raise your hand, please, so I can see you. Yes, Art Lasagna. Lasagna. Gugutom na.
Kami po ang, Your Honor, kami po ang umuli kay June Barsabal on the strength of a warrant of arrest issued by the Municipal Court of the Davao Oriental. Pinuli po namin siya.
Sino po si Barsabal? Philippine Army daw po siya at pinapatay daw ni Mayor Duterte dahil sa mga complaints from businessmen that he was extorting money. According to Mr. Matubato, henchman daw po siya ni Colonel Serrano, who was the commanding officer of the 431st Company. Inabduct niyo daw po siya, si June Barsabal, sa Kaputian District sa Samal at dinala niyo kay Mayor Duterte at pinalo nga po ng golf club. Tapos dinala nyo uli sa Samal Island kung saan nyo pinatay. Las Cañas, Floribel, Pagidupon, Jerry Baguhin, Pavo, Laresma, and de Chavez.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, hinuli po namin siya on the strength of a warrant of arrest issued by the Davao Oriental LTC. After his arrest, in-endorse po namin siya sa Kaputian Police Station for record purposes. And then, dinala po namin siya sa Sigaboy Police Station for proper turnover. Kasi doon po ang jurisdiction ng kaso, pati yung warrant officer na nag-coordinate sa amin. As per resolution po, Mr. Chair, Your Honors, ito po ay resolution po ng CHR Davao. Basahin ko po. Rate case of Galvincio Barsabal Jr., Rosina Barsabal, complainants, CHR case number 11-97-1011 DN versus SPO4 Fulgencio Pavo, SPO3 Jerry Baguhin, SPO1 Stephen Abelia, SPO1 Arturo Las Cañas, Edgar Matubato, open parent, Capgo, close parent, SPO2 Ruben Laguisma, Police Senior Inspector Romel Mitra, respondents for murder. Basahin ko po ang resolution, Mr. Chair. As set forth,
Portion na lang ang basahin niyo, yung pinakauli, oh.
the dispositive portion po, Your Honors, in view of all the foregoing, it is hereby recommended that the investigation be momentarily deferred and the case be considered archived insofar as respondents SPO4 Provincia Pavo, SPO3 Jerry Baguhin, SPO1 Stephen Abelia, SPO1 Arturo Las Cañas, Edgar Matubato, and Police Senior Inspector Romel Mitra are concerned without prejudice to its reopening should evidence warrant the same. It is further recommended that criminal complaint be filed against respondent SPO2 Robert Laguisma for infidelity in the custody of prisoners as provided under the revised penal code in Article 224, evasion through negligence. In this case, be endorsed to the office of the Provincial Prosecutor of Davao Oriental. let the copy of this resolution and other pertinent documents be forwarded to the office aforementioned for each appropriate action. Davao City, Philippines, December 22, 1997. Attorney Edmundo R. Albay, Human Rights Attorney. Approved by Attorney Dominador L. Calamba II, Regional Human Rights Director po.
So ano po yun?
Ang sinasabi nyo, nakatakas yung preso?
As reported, Mr. Chair, by the Sigapoy Police, nakatakas po yung preso. And then, reportedly, after 3 or 5 days, nakita po siyang patay doon po sa vicinity ng Pantukan, which is nearby the Sigapoy, Davao Oriental.
Sino yung nakusaan ng infidelity in the custody of prisoners? Si Pabo?
Hindi po, Your Honor. SPO2 Ruben Laguisma of the Sigapoy Police Station.
Okay. Custodian. Sino pa? Yun lang?
Yun na po.
Okay. So nakatakas at dahil dyan kinasuhan siya ng CHR sa provincial
Sino nakatakas?
court.
Si June Barsabal?
Yes, Your Honor. As per report from the Sigapoy Police.
Hindi ko siya pinatay?
Napatay siya after 5 days. Nakita siya after 5 days. 5 days or 4 days? After 5 days, nakita yung bangkay niya.
5 days or 3 days. Basahin ko po ito, Your Honors.
After you read that, can we get a copy of that so we can put it as part of the records, ComSec? Andiyan ba? And also, just for information, I'm told that Mr. Matubato has left the building. But I'm trying to get in touch with him. We're trying to get in touch with him. Elvis?
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
Your Honors, on July 20, 1997, the dead body of Gaudencio Bersabal Jr. was found at King Beach, Pantukan, Davao del Norte, and was buried in Pantukan Municipal Cemetery on July 28, 1997.
97?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yun yung maraming mina, di ba? Maraming minahan at saka maraming madalas nagla-landslide. Tama ba yun?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
So just give us a copy of that, please. Ibang,
You have a copy of
iba
that?
po yan sa version ni Mr. Matubato.
ComSec, please mark the evidence.
And then yung sa kay Sally Macdum, siguro na narinig nyo na yung kwento tungkol kay Sally Macdum para hindi ho umaba ay ang sabi po ni Mr. Matubato ang kasama dun sa pagplano ng operation against Macdum, Las Cañas, Capote, Ubales, Purog, Gaston Aquino, Medina, and Jim Tan.
Will those who were mentioned who are here, please raise your hand. Let the record state that Mr. Capote, Mr. Aquino, Mr. Tan, Mr. Medina, and Mr. Ubales, and Mr. Lascanya have raised their hands. And who else? Sino pa? Medina? Di ba na-raise mo na? Wala nang ibang nag-raise na hand, no? Okay, sige, okay.
So, syempre po, tinatanggi niyo po yun. Ang sabi po ni... Yes po?
Hindi po totoo yan, Your Honor. Kasi kung mapayagan nyo, kung may ipakita po akong dokumento dito, Your Honor, na nangyari ang Macdom is 2000. Ang napasok ako kapulis is 2001, Your Honor. Dito po yung appointment ko, Your Honor.
Namatay si Macdum ng 2002?
2000, Your Honor.
2000? Sabi ni Matabato, 2002, namatay si Sally Macdum. Pero sa iyo, 2000 namatay si Macdum.
2000 po, Mr. Chair.
Ang sabi ni Bato-Bato is 2002, pero ang record, Your Honor, is 2000.
Kaya,
November 8,
sinabi ko.
2000.
November 8, 2000, namatay si...
According to the record filed at NBI office, November 9, 2000.
November 9, actually 2000, namatay si Macdum.
Yes, sir.
At yan ay nakalagay sa NBI records, ganun ba?
Sa yung sa print, yung yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
Meron ba kayong record ng NBI dito niyan?
Sa record ng NBI, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair.
Yes. Mr.
Mr. Chair.
Recovered by body ni Macdom. Yung sinasabi niya si Macdom, Your Honor, nang marinig namin na dito na kami daw ang inakusahan niya na humuli at pumatay kay Macdom. Ano kami ng records, naghahanap kami.
Nagalukat kayo ng records.
Nakita namin ang record sa FBI sa Piskalya na nangyari yung pagkawala ni Macdom year 2000.
Aha.
Tapos, 2001, nag-file ng kidnapping case ang NBI against Edgar Matobato and his 3 companions.
Identified yung 3 companions.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sino yan?
As far as I can remember, Your Honor, Edgar Matobato and a certain custodio.
Custodio?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have the first name?
I don't remember, Your
May
Honor.
police?
But,
Does the NBI have a record here?
we have records, Your Honor.
Director, meron po kayo record noon? Dr. General? Tama po ba yung sinasabi niya? A copy of the record that's will definitely indicate that Macdum died in 2000 and not 2002, as claimed by Matabato.
Do we refer, Your Honor, to Sally Macdum? Is that Sally Macdum?
Sally Macdum, yes.
Okay. The truth of the matter is the case was assigned, or rather was referred to NBI Davao when I was still a young agent, November 14 of 2000. And the investigator was Gerald Intis. And it was reported on January 26, 2001. After the Bureau, NBI Assembly of Davao, had, I'm referring to my notes, Your Honor, had filed a case of kidnapping for ransom against one Edgar Matobato, male of legal age, resident of Kilometer 14, Buhangin, Barangay Tagbabo, Piñaplata, Samal, Piñaplata Island Garden, City of Samal. Number 2, Sunny Custodio, male of legal age, ex-policeman.
Policeman.
Ex-policeman. It was
Yes.
records. Peace Bindor, a resident of Piñaplata Island Garden, City of Samal. And the third was Nalwin Calpo, male of legal age, government employee, a resident of Piñaplata Island Garden, City of Samal. And then there is another more, Raul Rodriguez, male of legal age, a resident of Kilometer 11, Salsa, Davao City.
Let the record state, excuse me, before you continue, that Mr. Matabato testified here, as I pointed out, that he was killed in 2002, Mr. Macdum. And yet there's a record here by the NBI, an investigation report that shows Mr. Macdum died in the year 2000, and that the record state further that a case was filed, which was never mentioned here by Mr. Matobato, that the case was filed against him for kidnapping with murder. Is that correct, NBI Director?
Kidnapping lang.
For the record, kidnapping for ransom.
Kidnapping for
Kidnapping
ransom. Wala pang murder.
Because that was, maybe that time,
At that time.
we didn't know that he was dead.
At that time, hindi pa na-recover. Was the body ever recovered?
I had no knowledge, Your Honor, because after that, several months after that